Already, let's sing. Mini car, mini car. Done. Beep, beep, beep. A mini car. Take a ride. Take a ride. Push yourself. Beep, beep, beep. A mini car. Faster. Mini car, mini car. Beep, mini car. Take a ride. Take a ride. Beep, mini car. Yay! Let's start na. We're going to count 1 to 7 first. 1, 2, count na. Yan. 3, 4, count na. 5, 6, and 7. Kuha kuya. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, I will ask. Ashley, are you ready, Ash? Bago lang si Ash. Wait, not you. Sit down, sit down. Ash, tell me what days today, ha? Sabi mo, today. Louder. Today is Monday. Boys, Thunder. Thunder. Sit down. Thunder. Ikaw yung kuya dito, di ba? Dapat ikaw yung most behave. Oh, actually, what day is today?
Mahilig ako sa
What?
kotse.
Na? Wala na, wala. Sige, sige.
And the milk.
Oh, actually, what day is today? Today is Monday, anak. Today is yes, it's Wednesday. Everybody, let's sing Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Don't you know? Today is Wednesday. Yes, I know. Today is Wednesday after Tuesday. Opo. This is one day that your party. Put down your legs. This is one day that I know. Okay, now we're going to count up to 6.